How to measure length of a child? Length is actually the height of the child, but it is called length in 0 to 2 years of old child. How to measure length of a baby? Number 1. Height of the 0 to 2 years old baby is called length. It requires a flat surface which is hard, non-stretchable, a board to move along the foot and the crown of the head, tape for measuring, and the baby. Then, first we will remove the heavy clothing, shoes, accessories, head accessories, anything that can hamper the reading. Baby lies flat, limbs are extended by the helper, and the other helper adjusts the head in such a way that the eyes and ears are lying perpendicular to the surface on which it is on the surface on which baby is lying. The other helper places feet against the hard surface in such a way that the feet are perpendicular like the baby is standing. Height is measured from the crown of the head to the bottom of the heel, and it increases its growth rate over the years is following. Increase in length at birth it is almost at average of 50 centimeter, and at 1 year it is 75 centimeter, at 2 years it is 85, at 3 years it is 95, and now we will measure the length of the child. Length is measured, it is called length, well it is actually height, but the child should be less than 2 years of age or 2 years of age for it to be called length. The first requirement is to remove all the heavy clothing and any accessories or shoes or hair accessories that could hinder or give a false measurement. Then place the child on a flat surface, flat tough surface, and you should have two cardboards or two hard rough surfaces, two boards, which will be used here because we will measure the length from crown of the head to the back of the heel. This is the length that will be measured, and for this the legs should be extended by one helper who will help in extending the legs, and one will move this board against the crown like this, and the other one will place a hard board against the feet like this, so that we can take the correct measurement. So we have placed this here, one helper has placed at this feet against the feet, like to make the feet perpendicular to take the right heel length. The legs are flat, and the other helper will also move the head in such a way that the ears and the eyes are lying perpendicular to the surface and looking upward. Then the other helper will move the other surface against the crown, and then we will measure the length between crown and heel, and this will be the length of the baby.